Alright, good morning everyone. Nakaboto na ba ang lahat? Okay. 18, please don't forget to vote for your favorite music. So in TikTok Awards po in Philippines, so we have here Rising Star of the Year, a popular creator of the year. So you have 15 votes per day. So of course, dito tayo sa Song of the Year. Syempre, and don't forget to choose and vote for Gento. Ayan, vote tayo ng 15 times. Pwede ba yun? Isa, two. Ayan, boto-boto lang tayo. 15. Pwede ba yun? 8, 7, 6. Medyo ano siya. Ayan, 5 na lang. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's make it count. Okay, 3. Another click. Okay, 2 na lang. Isa pa. 2 more. Okay, and I've already voted for today's video. So, please don't forget to vote for Gento as Song of the Year. Ayan, meron din dito live streamer of the year. So, hindi ko masyadong kilala itong mga to. Alam niyo guys, ano lang tayo eh. Tawag dyan, SB19 lang. Pero parang gusto ko ito iboto si TikTok Shop Creator of the Year. Ivana, no? Ivana kayo. Magboto din ako dito. Boto. Pinakailan na ako. Boto ko to si Ivana. Ayan, okay na. Sapa. Tapos, TikTok Shop Brand Owner of the Year. Ito si V. Lagi ko itong nakikita. Ito. Piling ko ito. Ewan ko kayo ha. Pero don't forget, bago kayo bumoto sa iba, unahin muna natin ng mahal lima. Ayun, that's it. So, I'm done today. So, bukas ulit. Dito, sino ba ang celebrity creator of the year? Hindi ako masyadong follower nito mga to, kaya hindi ako boboto. Siguro, ito si Niana. Gusto ko kasi kaibigan na SB. Saka maganda rin yung mga niya. Though hindi ako marunong sumayaw, pero ayan, boto natin si Niana. For me lang naman. I'm done. How about this one? Wala akong iba. Sana nandito si Hindi ko to kilala. Anyway. So, yun lang guys. Don't forget to vote for SB19 as Song of the Year sa TikTok Awards PH 2023. That's all. Thank you. Bye. Bukas ulit